Boston Dynamics just showed to the world their capability in a latest, pre-New Year video where they made their robots make some complex maneuvers while dancing to a song. Today we will discuss where they are headed and what could be the implications of this. Hey everyone, I'm your host David, and you're watching Tech in 5. Boston Dynamics, known for their top-notch robotics designing and engineering, released a video that shows 4 of their robots dancing and lip-syncing to the Contours' popular song Do You Love Me? Our whole crew got together to celebrate the start of what we hope will be a happier year. Happy New Year from all of us at Boston Dynamics, stated the company. The video features 3 of their most popular creations, Atlas, Spot and Handle. Atlas is the 6-foot humanoid robot, Spot is the 4-legged canine-inspired robot, and Handle is the robot with 2 legs and a hand. One could well argue that they are better at dancing than most humans, complete with perfect coordination. Boston Dynamics Atlas and Spot robots can do a lot of things. Sprinting, gymnastic routines, parkour, backflips, open doors to let in an army of their friends, wash dishes. But the company's latest video adds another impressive trick to our future robotic overlords' repertoire: busting sick dance moves. The video sees Boston Dynamics' entire lineup of robots, the humanoid Atlas, the dog-shaped Spot, and the box-juggling Handle all come together in a coordinated dance routine set to the Contours' Do You Love Me? Whether you are concerned about the ability and swift evolution of robots or amazed by the strides technology and robotics have taken, you can't take your eyes off the dancing robots and marvel at the achievement. On May 11, 2018, CEO of Boston Dynamics Mark Raybert, on TechCrunch Robotics Session 2018, announced that the Spot robot was in pre-production and preparing for commercial availability in 2019. On its website, Boston Dynamics highlights that Spot is the quietest robot they have built. The company says it has plans with contract manufacturers to build the first 100 Spots later that year for commercial purposes, with them starting to scale production, with the goal of selling Spot in 2019. However, in September 2019, journalists were informed that the robots will not be sold, but they will be given on lease to selected business partners. In November 2019, Massachusetts State Police became the first law enforcement agency to use Spot Mini as robot cop, as well as in the unit's bomb squad. Around 2010, Little Dog was released. It's a small quadruped robot developed for DARPA by Boston Dynamics for research. Unlike Big Dog, which is run by Boston Dynamics, Little Dog is intended as a testbed for other institutions. Boston Dynamics maintains the robots for DARPA as a standard platform. Little Dog has 4 legs, each powered by 3 electric motors. The legs have a large range of motion. The robot is strong enough for climbing and dynamic locomotion gates. The onboard PC-level computer does sensing, actuator control and communications. Little Dog's sensors measure joint angles, motor currents, body orientation and foot-ground contact. Control programs access the robot through the Boston Dynamics Robot API. Onboard lithium polymer batteries allow for 30 minutes of continuous operation without recharging. Wireless communications and data logging support remote operation and data analysis. Little Dog development is funded by the DARPA Information Processing Technology Office. It's not the first time Boston Dynamics has shown off its robot's dancing skills. The company showcased a video of its Spot robot doing the Running Man to Uptown Funk in 2018. But the new video takes things to another level, with the Atlas robot tearing it up on the dance floor, smoothly running, jumping, shuffling, and twirling through different moves. Things get even more incredible as more robots file out, prancing around in the kind of coordinated dance routine that puts our own, admittedly awful human dancing to shame. Compared to the jerky movements of the 2016 iteration of Atlas, the new model almost looks like a CGI creation. Boston Dynamics was recently purchased by Hyundai, which bought the robotics firm from SoftBank in a $1.1 billion deal. It became known for its dog-like quadrupedal robots, most notably, the DARPA-funded Big Dog, a precursor to the company's first commercial robot, Spot. It was bought by Alphabet's X division in 2013 and then by SoftBank in 2017. While the Atlas and Handle robots featured here are still just research prototypes, Boston Dynamics has recently started selling the Spot model to any company for the considerable price of $74,500. But can you really put a price on creating your own personal legion of boogieing robot minions? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you liked what you saw, please give us a thumbs up. You may also support us by finding the donation link in the description below. This was your host David. And you were watching Tech in 5.